I am very hungry.
You are always hungry.
Wait for us! Guys, we found something cool! A new toy shop opened downtown.
Really?
They have glitter dumplings! What is that? Look at this video!
Wow, it looks amazing.
It looks strange.
You like it now.
The shop is very close.
I want the glitter one!
We are here! This place is huge.
This place is beautiful.
Wait until you see the glitter ones.
They are so soft.
Interesting.
Try this one. Whoa, this feels nice.
You love it now.
Maybe a little.
There is a warning here. What does it say? It says be careful.
Relax, it is just a toy. I want this one.
Mine is cute too.
This was a great idea.
Yeah, this toy is awesome.
I cannot stop squeezing it.
I told you.
Mom, look what we bought!
What is that? This smells strange.
It is fine, Mom.
Cheap toys can be dangerous.
Millions of people use them.
Let me try it.
Hey, careful!
You really love that toy.
It is my favorite now.
A few days later.
Your toy looks strange.
It is still fine.
It is leaping. Do not tell Mom.
What is that smell?
Nothing, Mom.
This toy is damaged. You must throw it away.
A few days later.
It still works. Just one more squeeze. That does not sound good. Oh my gosh! It burns. Noah!
What happened?
Do not touch your eyes.
It hurts.
Wash your eyes now.
Quickly!
My eyes hurt.
Stay calm.
We are going to the clinic.
Right now.
My eyes still burn.
We are almost there. Come with me quickly.
Please help him.
This toy contained strong chemicals.
That is dangerous, Spike.
He will be okay.
Thank goodness.
Some cheap toys are unsafe. Always check product quality. Use these medicines every day.
Okay, doctor. I am sorry, Noah.
It is not your fault.
How do your eyes feel?
A little better.
A toy should not do this.
Safety is very important.
A few days later.
Your eyes look much better.
I feel better now.
Not all toys are safe. Always check quality first.
There is still glitter everywhere!
The glitter survived! Feed me glitter. No!
A few days later.
Captain Glitter is back.
Very funny.
Boom! Glitter everywhere.
Stop teasing him!
No way.
The glitter is still alive!
Goodbye forever, Glitter.